fourth quarter of the last year was really volatile in Armenian financial market as well because of sanctions in Russia and overall difficult economic situations in the region. Armenian dram also devaluated for almost 20%. But luckily the banks dealt with that crisis very smoothly, all the banks in Armenia, including our bank, and we registered profits on the end of the year, and we are continuing working in a normal way. In general, in our Armenian banking sector, there are some signs that the growth is not that active this quarter, the first quarter of this year, and including our bank. But for example, our bank was working very aggressively in the market last year. We grew 45–50% in assets. And this year we are still continuing the growth, although the banking sector is not growing that rapidly as it was growing last year. It will be a successful year. We are working, we are opening new branches, and we are doing new strategies, investing more in new talents, and by that, overcoming all the difficulties in the economy. Last year, as I told, our growth was something like 45%. This year, I guess it will be something like 30% at least. We have opened a branch last year. We are going to open two more branches during this year and still grow, work with all kinds of enterprises. We are very good in micro, medium and small enterprise lending products. We are growing our retail portfolio as well, and I guess we will succeed to grow overall. We are luckily very good in attracting locally deposits. 60% of our funding is locally attracted through deposits, and we have funding from EBRD. We have funding, we are working with ADB on trade finance, and we are getting some funds locally through a special financial vehicle funded by KfW Bank. We do not plan currently any mergers acquisitions, but because of the new prudential requirements of the central bank of having almost $60 million of minimum capital by 1st of January of 2017. All these topics are open for discussions among all the Armenian 21 banks. For our bank, it will be a very good year, and we are now celebrating 25th anniversary of our bank. We were one of the first privately owned banks in Armenia. And currently we are owned by a Lebanese bank. Lebanese Credit Bank is 100% owner of our bank. And we are working for aggressive growth, and I guess we will be a successful bank.